Guys, so now we are going to see the different types of roofs available in our Revit software, right? For that, go to new architectural template. So we have opened our Revit software, right? So we have to check the units. So it's in mm, so I'm going to take it in centimeters. Okay. So now here we have the interface of our software, right? So now we will draw some walls and we will see the roofs, right? So I'm going to wall. The shortcut of wall is WA. So the wall command will activate it, right? So I'm going to select this rectangle over here, and again WA, another over here. So like this, I'm creating some rooms, right? So we have created this type of rooms, right? So we want to add the roofs, right? For that, go to level 2. So we will see how much is our height, right? So these all are about this much height, right? So go to 3D, select all this, select the unconnect height to level 2. So right, so this is the height of the level 2, right? That is 4 meters. So now we will see the roofs, right? So for that we will go to our level 2. So the roofs will be evaluated on it's placed on the top level of the building, right? So here we have the different types of roofs, right? So first we will see this, right? Roof by footprint. So here we have the line, rectangle, polygons, right? So here inscribed in circle, circumscribed in circle, polygons, right? So like this different circle ones, arc, and these arc ends, this is a curve and this billet, and here we have the spire SP line. So like this curve of the roof, right? So we can also ellipse, and here we have the partial ellipse, and these are peak lines and peak walls. So I'm going to select the peak walls. So I'm going to select these ones, right? So now click on. So here we have the edit type. So here we have the generic cold roof, concrete, steel, membrane deck, wall roof. So we will see for this only we will see different type of that. Okay. Now we will go with the cold roof concrete, right? Click on OK. Click on OK. So if we go to 3D, so here we can see the cold roof, right? So if we go to shaded consistent colors or constant edges. So this will be our cold roof, right? So here we can see. So how it is shining, right? Due to the lights, right? It is coming over from this side, right? So this is the type of cold roof. So if we select this, here we have the base offsets, cutoff levels, top level bonds, and you can get the plumb cuts. So it cannot allow the plumb cut, right? So we can select the base offset as well. So it will see here some offset has been done, right? So this is the base offset, right? We can lift up here. So if we keep this 0, so it has joined with walls. If you want to place any ventilators, or if you want to, like if you want to, want your roof to be lifted up of some height, so we can give over here. So this is the offset. So here, so this is for the ventilation purpose. We can use however we want, right? So now again we will draw some another roof over here. So again go to the roofs. So this is the roof by extrusion. So in this we have to select a plane, right? for that I'm going to make it. So click on plane. So I'm selecting this plane on level 2, right? So now we are going to level 2, and now I'm going to draw here, or I will pick lines, right? So here we go to 3D. So for this extrusion, we need some reference lines and we have to select the faces, right? With level 2. So again we go over the extrusion. So plane. The south open view. Level 1. Okay. We draw like this. Click on OK. 3D. See, sorry, not drawn, but this is how it will look like. See, so this is also a cold roof, right? So we select this and we can change the generic to 125, so it will be changing, right? So we have to select the plane and we have to draw according to this, right? So this is a one type of roof, right? So now we will draw over another roof over here. So go to roof, click on roof soffit. So here we have, so we will pick the lines, right? Okay, so if you go to 3D, so it is a soft soffit, right? So if you go to level 2, again go to roof soffit, select the roof branches, right? Select here. So here we can also get this on this also, right? We can overlap the structure, right? So this is the roof by soffit, right? These are some middle lines, they are some edges, right? So now we will edit this. Edit to this steel bar joist. So now again we will draw another roof, so that is fascia. So then we will go to roof 2. So it is like select this one. So this is nothing but so making one hole like this, right? So that is fascia. So if you know gutter, so gutter is you already know, right? So this is a gutter, right? For the draining of water. So here we can see the gutters, right? So like this you can see. So I'm going to select this one. So again I'm going to my, so here we are taking the steel joints, right? So we won't be able to see over here, so we will go to our level 2 and we will go to view and we will cut the section from over here and we will see this, right? We will go to realistic, we will go to fine, go to shadow images, go to wireframe. So here we can see, right? So there are some steel joints over here, right? So this is the roof, right? We select this roof, so this is the width, EDP membrane. So here we can change the structure, right? So here we have different types of structures and here we have this. So we go to warm roof, concrete. So here we can see the concrete and with this steel ones or wooden frames like this. So it's a warm roof, right? So if we go to again what edit type, so if you see the timber, so this is the timber one. So these are the timber structures and these are some drawings for our plates. So here we have in here. No? So like this structure. So here we are seeing this type of structures, right? Realistic. So this like structure is the cross section in we can see the line part and the cross over here. So we can change this roof also, right? We go to edit and here you can also add the thickness or we can wrap it. We can do the variable dimensions also, right? And also we can add the roofs over here. So if we go to this, so we go to home and roof by this is roof by face. So it won't be get. So this is for the another section. So we click the roof section, pick a plane, click on OK. So like this one on level 2 only. So I'm going to put the lines, pick lines over here. So I'm going to draw from here. So like this, okay. So see how it is created, right? So like this we can add our different types of roofs, right? So this is the roof extrusion. So we can add some fascias also, right? So adding the thickness over here. So this is fascia, guys. So we can see here, go to roof fascia. So I'm going to select over here. I will show you on this side, right? Go to roof fascia. Select this side. So this is fascia. So here we can see the thickness over here, right? So like the edge part, right? So if we can go to fascia, I'm going to select. So like this we can select, right? So if we again go to fascia and select this, right? You can select this one. So here we have the vertical profiles, right? We take 0.20. So it is the vertical distance and this is the vertical profile 0.30 and apply. So it will go upwards, right? So like this we can do if you go to edit type. So here we have the different types of fascia, right? So if we take this, so this is the small ones. This is the editing part like this. So you can also edit the materials also, right? If we go to here, I'm taking wood cherry over here. Okay. So see here we can see this is the wood cherry. So like this we can do the fascia, right? Gutter is the underlying part, so like it is for the water draining, and this fascia is for this type of structure, right? So if you go to rendering also we can see different types. So this is how this is the cold form surface. So this is how all the roof types are available. Thank you.